That leads to me, in fact, two follow-up questions, especially from a aspiring audience, someone who is interning somewhere in the AI space, right? Question is always like they keep figuring, should I go for master's?
On that you want to stick to industry setting and you are like confident enough with your skill set, and it's going to be ever growing, because once you get into industry and you are like learning hands-on experience with tools and platforms that are required for a data scientist or a machine learning engineer, then I guess I would personally skip that step of like again taking a step back, or like, and I also had a very vague idea towards stepping into like research space as well. Fortunately, my full-time roles have always been at the intersection of research and development, so I did not pursue a path to PhD, but in my industry setting, I'm kind of doing the same.